Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS. This is a real super sport car, guys. Neat little car, man. Finished in Hugger Orange. Of course, that's not original. It's got the black vinyl interior in it. Wicked fun car, guys. Georgia car, good solid Georgia body. I apologize as you can hear the car sloshing around in the background. We're not going to run it down the road because of the weather, but neat car, fun car too. This is a cool video, man. This thing is, it's quick. I mean, it's got a good running 327 in it, Muncie 4-speed. Disc brakes, again, wicked cool color combination, 373 10-bolt posi rear end, and like I say, a lot of fun to drive. Recent body up restoration, again, real slick paint. It, as you walk around, I didn't see a whole lot. There's a couple little touch-up marks on it. Again, sorry guys, boys left a little wax on it. Some of the pieces of trim are original. So you can see the grill and that trim piece there is original. You can pick at that. I think the bumpers are actually original on this car, and they do show some age. Cowl hood. Sorry guys. Cool set of 15-inch American Racing torque thrust. Again, slick paint on the car. I love the color. And man, wicked fun car to drive, man. This thing is quick. Nice and tight, shifts out good. Got great sound. Sits good, nice and straight down the sides. Again, you can pick at the bumpers a little bit. Good looking car. '15s all the way around it. Disc brakes. Again, healthy 327 in it. Things gets its R's quick, just, I mean, snappy little small block in it. Holley Performance dual feed 4-barrel. You can see it's got the polished aluminum intake, flex fan. It's got Edelbrock shocks. Hedman headers, does have the GM double hump heads, disc brakes, Mallory Unilite distributor in it, Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Front sway bar on it. Now that is a good looking little car. Always missed a little wax going around that. You can open the doors too, Mike. Man, we're getting a little sunshine. We're gonna have a bunch of melting today. It's gonna be a mess, but next couple of days are supposed to actually be above freezing here. A-pillar chrome looks original. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. I think a lot of that stuff looks original right there. Clean door seams. bucket seat. It's got the Hurst shifter. It's got a chrome tilt column with a Lecarra steering wheel. Showing 43,000. I'm sure that's 143. They say there's not a bunch of miles on the car. A few thousand miles since it's been restored. You can see the tach and gauges. Got the push button AM radio. I don't think the radio works. Blower motor works. Wipers worked and everything like that. Good sounding H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. Again, it's got frame ties on it. It's got a 10-bolt 373 limited slip rear end in it with traction bars. They did the trunk and body color. That would actually been spackle coated, but looks nice. Good car. Clean underneath. As always, I post the pictures of the bottom on the web. Yeah, that's just a little wax, guys. That'll come off of there. Fun car, man. Fun car to go out and bang the gears in. Seats look good. They've definitely been all redone. Blower motor worked. The radio did not work, guys. Little marks in the side glass there. Yeah, this thing just hits. Great sound in small block. Car's just got a good look. Little revs in here. Yep, tach works. Looks like all the gauges are working. No parking brake. There is no parking brake on the car. Brake lights. Give a little rev, Mike. Great sound. Again, blower motor works. No on the radio. Wipers. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep track of is our Instagram, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Have a great day, guys.